Yeah, you can eat scallops raw with some careful considerations. You'll experience a sweet meat that's tender and creamy and silky, almost melts in your mouth immediately. I'll show you how I dress these two, a crudo and a tartare, and then we'll talk about safety in raw seafood consumption. Hi, I'm Jenna, and welcome. I call this lazy luxury, how I incorporate opulent foods in simple, straightforward, non-fussy, mostly recipes. If that sounds like you, subscribe to the channel and say hello. Let's get back to the raw scallops. Into the studio for the demo. For the crudo, I'm quite literally using the most basic of ingredients that are pretty common: shallots, chives, capers, olive oil, lemon zest, and juice. This is about presentation and texture. I slice the scallop thin, and the best way to do that is with a very sharp knife. Scallops will easily shred if the blade isn't freshly sharpened. And by the way, no matter how hard I tried, how thin of a slice I aimed for, this was the most consistent I could get, and I could only get 5 slices per scallop. I wanted paper thin, but this wasn't as toothsome as I expected. It was still delicate on the palate, plated, slightly overlapping. And then shallots sliced paper thin on a mandolin, and just a tiny sliver, like a half sliver on each scallop. And then chives, then capers, plus a couple spoonfuls of their brine in lieu of salt, lemon zest. Finally, a light drizzle of very good olive oil. My preference is Croatian olive oil by Chiavolon. And a squeeze of lemon juice just before serving. And that's the crudo. You need something briny or salty, something herby, something astringent like a shallot, and then an acid like citrus juice or vinegar. And now the tartare. Now both dishes are raw, but the primary difference is how the meat is cut. Tartare is typically cubes or chunks versus the thin slices of crudo. Now, this one I dressed with salt and pepper, chives, grated fresh ginger, and a tiny drizzle of toasted sesame oil. Mixed it together, tasted, decided on more ginger. I'm pairing it with ikura, which is salmon roe, and it has a strong flavor, which I want to balance with the scallops, so ginger will cut that intensity. I went on to plate this with creamy diced avocado and then stacked in the tartare and topped with a single layer of ikura. And finally, right before serving, give a squeeze of lime juice. The acid will coagulate the proteins in both the salmon roe and the scallops, so this is a very last-minute dressing. And that's 2 non-fussy ways to enjoy raw scallops. Let's talk about how to buy the tastiest and safest scallops for raw dishes. First, we want dry scallops, which means they have not been injected with water or preservatives for storage and traveling. I talk about this more in the All About Scallops video. Now, second, ideally, we want them fresh, but frozen can be okay too. It's best to ask whomever you're purchasing from how fresh they are and if they are okay for consuming raw. They may be labeled sushi grade, and that would indicate that the seller is confident in their storage and handling for raw consumption. I purchased my dry scallops from oceanbox.com, and they are delivered to my door fresh, not frozen, and sushi grade. And this service is available throughout the US, and I have an affiliate link in the description below. Third, be aware of the risks. Vibrio is a bacteria that can grow when they aren't kept cool enough once they're harvested, or they are harvested out of season when the waters are warmer. Scallops have about the same risk as consuming raw oysters, and there are ways to minimize the risk, but other than fully cooking them, there's no way to completely avoid risk. Now, trusting your supplier's storage is cold enough and that they haven't sat at room temperature and consume them as close to being out of the water as possible are the best ways to minimize that risk. I will say with OceanBox, they would process the scallops, package them, and ship them in the same day, which minimizes the amount of time they are in transport and therefore super duper uber fresh. So ask me any questions you have about scallops and I will do my best to answer. This is the kind of thing, by the way, that I would look out for at restaurants, like how they dress raw scallops, what they pair it with for more inspiration for whatever I want to do at home. But raw scallops are absolutely delightful and definitely something that you can enjoy at home. So thanks for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.